14.
Item number 14.
My personal debate, my
You
personal,
have intimated the other side.
the government,
State,
government not that.
state.
Personal case
Hey,
is
government
pending.
advocate can you Government advocate can
Yeah, Jahani- next week or
October.
any date, my lords. But my personal case is pending, civil case won't, sir.
October 10th. October 10th. And, yeah, the matter.
Item 26.
26.
There are 2 weeks to file rejoinder.
2 weeks time to file. Hey, October 4th October. Yeah, data. One.
Item 1.
Mr. Lord similar. Here, my lord, the second round litigation, my lord, the question of Shiksha side, but in this case, my lord, I am against the order of the collector, page 40, annexure 11. Partly I challenge.
Now, what is the issue?
Issue is that, my lord, the last part of the order, page 40 bottom, issue is that I was allowed for primary school teacher by taking into considering the 3 years qualifying service of the past service. But question of the promotion, my lord, the collector in his order page 43.
So you are a junior teacher who has completed 3 years.
3 years,
Correct.
then 6 years.
Okay, then after that I will completed 3 years.
3 years.
Sorry, 6 years.
6 years.
So then you
Earlier, my lord, earlier I was declared the primary school teacher in 2015, my lord. That I challenged before your lordship. That my past service years should be counted. So the direction was issued to the collector.
Past service means from when to when?
2006, 3 to 2006. I was working at
The past 3 years.
3 years.
Past 3 years. The initial 3 years.
In between, I was in medical leave. That I am not claiming that medical leave period, and they are also not allowed that. So, but when I was considered for primary school teacher, my lord.
They are not allowed the leave.
No, I am also not claiming, my lord.
No, take care. I'm not asking whether you claim or not.
They are not allowed.
If you ask for leave and they have not granted the leave, then what will be that period?
They
absent, unauthorized absent.
Unauthorized absence.
And then how can they calculate that period?
No. I am not claiming that period. I am claiming the from 2003 to 2006. I was medical leave on 1/1/2007 to 28/2009. That period I am not claiming. Earlier, my lord, when they considered for promotion to the primary school, they have not considered the
Government
past period. So now the collector, my lord, I am on the issue that when I was declared the primary school teacher from 2012, earlier in 2015, but the collector now declared that no, you are from 2012. So, but he said, however, the petitioner will not claim seniority promotion with retrospective effect if in the meanwhile service of other employees of his cadre were regularized, promoted, conducting DPC age by such time the case of the petitioner was not considered. That part I am came before your lordship.
The petitioner was appointed as Shiksha Sahaya in Nundraguda Shabashram School under Mohana Block, Gajapati. He joined on the said post on 23rd November 2003.
Working till 31/12/2006.
And continued there till 31st/12/2006.
Then on medical leave on 1/1/2007
I am
to
not on that.
29/9/2009.
Because you are focusing on that period, not 3 to 6.
Yeah.
I'm on that. After that, you went for medical leave and all that. However, the collector, okay, number 3. Passed an order, the episode number 1456 dated 30th September 2009 by allowing the petitioner to join the same school in his previous post, for the petitioner is constrained to approach this court by objecting the petition. Issue notice to OP number. Government कौन है ला? यागो portfolio नहीं
I think all are government. 1 to 4 all are government. I will solve the extra copy, 4
Yeah.
copies.
1 to 4. Issue notice to OP number 1 to 4. Website notice, Mr. Swenson website notice.
Held, my lord.
केबे?
This month, this issue will be held. And also it is reflected in the order of the collector. That is, so any promotion subject to result of the case. Otherwise I will suffer.
काहार promotion?
My promotion.
आपन का promotion? आपन DPC
DPC hele mo consider karibe nahi kahinki na the collector always restrain me by this order. So
But
DPC will not consider my case.
तो
Because
आपन
collector
तो
always
आपन कौन चाहते?
that is I am entitled to further promotion to a higher level.
Hmm.
But this order is restrain me.
But what interim order you want?
Madam,
आपन interim order कौन चाहते?
interim for the further promotion to higher level. If the DPC will be held and other will be promoted, so I have.
DPC को बंद कर दिए total.
ना समान समस्त दे दे मो junior समस्त दे दे.
देले मोर DPC
So my
आपन का जण का पई enter
No, I am not saying so, my lord. I am saying that any promotion subject to result of the case. So that when I will succeed this treat, then I will get my.
special DPC for you.
So that order may be passed, my lord.
I have
Otherwise,
order passed.
otherwise, my lord, so suppose this
किसी
case,
हमारे आसले मत mention करिए हिंदी की situation है ला किसी हमारे.
next, so,
I am giving a short date.
so issue notice.
I am giving a short date. Don't worry.
So that and the I also notice be issued.
No, you should notice on the I also.
Date may be fixed.
Let's say matter on 3rd October, है ला 3rd October.
I will serve today
हाँ
along with the I, my lord. Along with the I.
You are for this.
I am okay.
You are
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଘଣ୍ଟେ ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦେବି. Along with the I petition, my lord.
Mr. Notice.
Third October.
Listen, 3rd October. 3rd October. किसी हमारे don't worry. किसी DPC हमारे.
Oblige, my lord.
Next.
Item number 3.
My lord, the petitioner in this writ application challenges the action of the opposite party in selecting the opposite party number 6 as Anganwadi worker, though she was working in the said Anganwadi center as Anganwadi helper without following the due process of law, my lord. Your lordship, for selection of the Anganwadi worker, due selection procedure has been enumerated in the scheme, my lord. Your lordship kindly have glanced that scheme, my lord, that revised guideline. For that purpose, my lord, this advertising which we made. Thereafter, the application will be called for, and after submission of the applications, the points will be awarded to the petitioners, and thereafter.
कितने नंबर? कितने नंबर?
3 number.
2 टा कौन? 12:30.
My lord, even if there is specific provision for selection, fair selection of the Anganwadi workers.
You are the selected candidate.
No, my
Sorry,
lord. There is no advertisement. We are the two ladies of the villagers, my village.
You are continuing there.
Yes, my lord. In
You are
aspiring,
continuing since when?
I am aspiring for the selection of the
Sir,
Anganwadi.
aspiring is fine.
Yes.
Are you continuing there at present?
No, I am in the village, my lord.
So what is the problem?
My lord, they have
You-
selected
what-
without,
What just blocks your respiration?
my lord, without adopting their process of law, my lord, without going through the due selection process of Anganwadi worker,
So कोटा process of follow करने कहले
my lord, there is absolutely no advertisement for selection process, selection of the,
no.
no, my lord. And on the
Take
basis,
instructions first and.
Let him take instruction.
yes,
ଆପଣ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ କହନ୍ତି ନା ସେଟା କଞ୍ଚା ମିଛ ଥାଏ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପଟୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁ ହେଇଥିବ
your lordship,
ଆପଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
can
ଭଲ
kindly
କରି କହିବେ
have a glass to
MD.
Annexure
ବିନା
two.
ଏପିଡିଟେ କେମିତି କରିଦେବେ
Your lordship, kindly have a glass to Annexure 2, my lord. Annexure 2.
1970 ରେ ହଉଛି କି 80 ରେ ହଉଛି
Your lordship, kindly have a glance to page 18, my lord.
2000 ଲୋକ ସବୁ ଚାଲାକ
My lord,
ଅଛନ୍ତି, କେହି
page 18,
କହିବେନି।
your lordship, kindly glance page 18, my lord.
ଲୋକ ଆଗ ଲୋକସଭା ଆଉ ଇଏ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଭୋଟ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ଭୋଟ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବଡ ଲୋକ ଭଗବାନ
Scrutiny.
ସିଧା ଗାଁକୁ ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ କର ଦେଖିବ ଅଧା litigation କମିଯିବ କେତେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଆମର 1000 ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି 1000 ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ରୁ 500 ବି ଆସିବନି ଏଟା ଯଦି ଗାଁକୁ ଯଦି ୟୁନିଟ କରାଯିବ
My lord.
you are making a unit of the every ସେ ଗାଁରେ ପୁଣି sub unit ଇଏ ସେ କରିକି unnecessary so anyway take notice
Thank
land council for the state ଏ notice issue ହେଇଥିଲା ବୋଧେ
Nine, first time, my lord.
ଆରେ ଏଟା ଦୁଇ ଖୋଲିଲା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ବାହାରୁଛି ଯେ
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା
ଆରେ ଏଟା କୋଉ ଝିଅଟାକୁ ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଥିଲା କଣ ଏମିତି କେସ ବାହାରୁଛି କଣ So you are you have filed in the anticipation of they are doing not following this or what?
Then where the aspiring candidates of the for the post
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
of
aspiring part ଠିକ
and my lord, they
ଆପଣ କଣ କୁ challenge
my
କରିଛନ୍ତି?
lord, I am challenging the selection of the opposite partner 6, who was
Selection କରି ସାରିଲେଣି?
yes, my lord, they have already selected, my lord.
Land council the petitioner seek to assail the legality of the selection process adopted by OP number 6 as Anganwadi worker of Kardakhaman Anganwadi Center under
Thanks, sir.
Pensar Gram Panchayat, Kuchinda block, which has been done without following the due process of law. Due process of selection. Selection. Due process of law is separate, something different. For the opposite party in almost legal, the opposite party has also given a preferential
sign over.
treatment to OP number 6,
Yes,
which made the petitioner constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll take notes.
Yes, I'll solve the copy.
State
Snack,
waves of
my lord.
notice.
Yes, there was a snack.
There was right. Waves of notice. And 6,
By speed post.
you served by registered post.
Yes, my lord.
This the matter on 11th October.
item
Next.
4.
Obliged.
Item 4.
My lord,
Honorable,
some
my
appear on
counter is
receipt.
ready. I'll file it during the course of the day. Serve a copy and file. Counter
My lord,
is
some
ready.
appearing
Item
virtual
4.
in this matter, my lord.
You are for the petitioner, Mr. Samudra.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
What
My
is
lord, sir, come to page 23 of my petition, my lord. That would It is regarding a damage claim
The only damage
compensation
to
made by the state government to a widow. And in the preliminary inquiry, they found that she was eligible for this house building assistance. And subsequently, for reason better known to them, they said that she is not eligible. And they said there is a Pakka house and the Kacha house is not entitled to get any house building allowance. A 70-year-old widow, madam.
I file a counter in the course of the
It
day.
is
So
there-
copy and
it
file.
is
ready
there-
already. You file.
It is their report on which they transferred the money to my account, subsequently recalled the money after 1 month.
My lord,
Every-
recover the dita inquiry ହେଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ inquiry se first
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଗୋଟେ କଥା
sanction
କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯେତେବେଳେ fresh inquiry ହୁଏ,
It is their inquiry.
fresh inquiry ହୁଏ, ସେତେବେଳେ things are actually in the right situation ଜଣା ପଡେ କଣ କେତେ damage ହେଇଛି କଣ ହେଇଛି। ଆପଣ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ second inquiry କରିବେ after 2 months, ସେ ଭିତରେ ଘର ଫର ବନି ସାରିଥିବ, ସେତେବେଳେ inquiry ପକ୍କା ଘର ଆଉ କିଛି ହେଇନି ବୋଲି କହିବେ।
ଥିଲା
ତେଣୁ second inquiry କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ, ଯୋଉଟା on the spot मौके पे जो इंक्वायरी होता है वो सही इंक्वायरी होता है। आफ्टर दैट गछ तळे बसिकरी आपन ऑफिसर लिखिबो एटा हेनी बढ़िया जाउ नथिबो से ऑफिसर
पहुंच देयर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रेस पीपल सेतमे स्टेट आ कुछ नबा बिकरी आगे डिसबर्स कर
आपन जोटा अछि सेटा ही रहइबो।
अच्छा वो let me
सबुतरे एबे सेटा माय व्यू जोडी भी फास्ट इंक्वायरी करिवे से फास्ट इंक्वायरी जा है तो सेही बेसिस आ पछरे यू कांट टर्न बैक एंड से नहीं तार हेनी 1/4 सेटा हो आफ्टर थॉट नाउ फास्ट जहाँ करो ठीक ठाक करिए आज आप सेटा भूलेला
कर दो let me put my counter
My lords, and they had found
ready, I'll
my,
serve a copy.
they had found it to be genuine. They had disbursed the amount.
let him find the report.
After 1 month, they recalled the amount.
Let him find the report. You just get the
Please,
find the report. You have got the report.
I have
You counter. Okay. Learn Council of the State to file the counter within 1 week.
today
Today.
I'll file like the course of the day.
The course of the day. List the matter on then. Tell Monday lageda.
Please, my lords.
My lord,
But you have to serve copy on them, na?
I'll serve one file.
My lords, my associate is there,
so-
my lords.
I am here.
Give him
I'll
a
give him
copy.
copy right now.
Give him a copy, and then I'm fixing it on 21st. If you want to have objection, you can.
Please, my
Next.
lords. Obligation.
Item 5.
Please, your lordship, this is the regarding the appointment of Sikha Sahib last occasion. Your lordship only wanted to know the decision of the Supreme Court. Is regarding the now at this moment the petitioner has reached the 51 years because the subsisting his prayer was subsisting and the court was already granted that is directed to authority to consider representation everything and thereafter but did not consider his because she was the that is the meritorious employee candidate and also the below percentage mark will given the appointment. So now since 2006 that is the pending his case is pending in the similar case same case my similar type of case in one Shaktipada Mahapatra early went to the Supreme Court. Honorable single judge dismissed the case, division bench dismissed, but Honorable Supreme Court allowed the case of in the this is the same issue in the 51 years that is the whether that is the scheme has been abolished the Sikha Sahaya case. The same case, same advertisement that is which is challenged before this PFL or the petitioner case has already your lordship I have filed the affidavit and copy of served your lordship the Shaktipada Mahapatra case. Your lordship only allowed that is even if 51 years but she was allowed the national benefit and was appointed and the implemented. The order has been implemented. Your lordship see.
Give this copy to them.
Yes,
Now,
I've
copy
given.
to them.
I've
You
given.
have taken instruction.
I've given this.
Take instruction.
I'll take it.
Learn Council State to take instruction. You give them a copy.
Already I have given.
Okay.
I have
You have got that, Mr.
already
Naik.
since
ना
24
Aur
आठ
copy दे दो
24
ना।
आठ रू
आगो
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା।
दे दी 24 आठ रू
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି
हाँ,
ଦେଲେ
दे
କଣ
देवी ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦେବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଅନ୍
ନା
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
ଏଭରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦେଇଛି
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଦେଇଛି ଅଲ୍ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରମଣି ଜେନା case,
ସବୁ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ-
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
କପି
ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବି କହିବେ
ସାର୍ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କପିଟା ଦେବେ
ହଁ କପି ଦେଇଛି ସାର୍
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କପି ଦେବେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛି
ସବୁ
ସେଟା
ଦେଇଛି
ଦେବେ
ସବୁ
ଆଉ
ଦେଇଦେବି
they will examine whether
Yes,
it's same
yes.
case or not.
କଭର କେସ୍ ପିଓରଲି କଭର କେସ୍ ମାନେ
Covered ସେମାନେ examine କରି କହିଲା ସିନା
ହଁ, ମୁଁ-
covered ଆଉ ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ covered।
ନା ଇଏ
Okay, let him know।
ଟ୍ୟୁଜଡେ ରଖିବେ କି
ନା,
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍
ସେ instruction ନେବେ time ଲାଗିବ 29th ଆସ
29 ମାଇଲ
next
Item 6.
What is that?
My lords,
Freezing of
I
that
kindly be
bank?
allowed to appear to PC, my lord. On behalf of Tuna Sahu.
who is the petitioner Non-appearance for the petitioner.
My lords, can I submit just one thing? My lords,
Yes.
in this, my lords, in this case, the petitioner's pension account is pending, is there in the Rairanpur branch, wherein my lords has directed the state to inquire about the status of the PS case number 14 by 2011.
Okay. Then what happened?
My lords, PS case टा जोगु हमें टंका टा रिलीज कर परनु PS case रो status टा जଣା पड़ी गले हमें रिलीज
That case is closed. That case is closed, but no details are available. Go to खाली charge sheet रो index अच्छी records रे. So there is nothing else available.
Police station मगे दो ना थी.
Police station रो ही. I mean, after detailed search, we could get a charge sheet. खाली index रंग ना है.
Freeze कर दे कौन?
Again, my lords.
Since Lanka petitioners state submits that since the case has already been closed, there is, and though there is no details of the cases with case recording with him, considering the submission made by the Lanka state, the छोटा केस टे केतेटा डेट जाउछि कहली अ स्मॉल केस अननेसेसरीली ए आजी डेट खाली डेट ये नेबी से नेबी कोन चलछि सर and consequence state directed to instruct the the police station to send a letter to the bank.
डायरेक्शन दे दें
हाँ?
हमें वो इंस्ट्रक्शन भेज दोगे ना
अच्छा ठीक है the bank is directed to accordingly the bank is directed to defreeze the account since there is no case pending. Defreeze the pension account, huh?
Okay.
Defreeze the pension account of the petitioner. Okay, account disposal.
Publish my lords.
Item number 7.
7.
Kindly one pass over, Miller. One pass over, Miller.
कौन है? I can't see you. I can't see you.
Miller, my video is Miller some difficulty.
No, you're not coming. You're wearing a ganji, that's why.
On behalf of Sri Tuna Sir, my lords, in this case, I have sought for instruction and along with I have sent a copy of the read petition to the branch for instructions, my lord. If this matter may come up on another date, I will provide all the instructions.
Okay, land council for the bank. 6. कितने दिन?
My lords, 7 days, my lords.
Okay,
So 4 to
a week time to get the instruction. This is the matter on 22nd.
oblige, my lords.
Oblige, Lords.
Next.
Item 8.
May I please, Your Lordship? May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This is the case Shiksha Sahayaka pilot.
शिक्षा सहायक
My lord. My lord,
कौन है
right of
लास्ट?
judgment of Dhananjay Charana De, my lord.
असुविधा कौन है?
My lord, this is the cover matter of Dhananjay Charana
Hey,
De.
you're supposed to file a
Lies,
complete
last,
order of the SLP that they filed.
फाइल कर ले.
last official, my lord.
काई.
I have filed, my lord.
कोडी.
My lord.
SLP ना अच्छा ये तोड़े.
Again.
ये कौन लखा है?
Copied is- Thanks.
कोडी लखा है जी मैडम हमारे पास नहीं था.
Last दुईटा पेज नथिला.
अच्छा लास्ट था.
Last तीनटा पेज.
काई.
Sorry, my lord.
एटा भी कंप्लीट नो है मैडम.
My lord, complete is.
देख लो मत देख ले. आपने पेज मत देख ले. थोड़ा कंप्लीट लिख दीजिए. एंदी कहीं पर भी सेंटेंस. एथिरे आपने कौन लिखा है देखो कोई. Respondent employees were initially engaged as gana रहेगला. True copy attached. एंदी हो. एंदी के बाद ऑर्डर फाइल.
Nanakshit code.
हाँ ये पेज का नहीं.
I have filed, my lord.
अरे फाइल तो गला कोड़े. आपण से फाइल टा ही मु देखुची. नहीं सेतरे भी नहीं अब.
Last
नहीं नहीं ठीक. नहीं मोर देते नहीं तो. एठे नहीं देखो. either nine. Hey, come login. Complete. Complete. What else? Nine. Limited time duration, their services are to see the state of Orissa, so it's not under there are limited duration. The single judge in this proceeding. So this case is, you are covered under this case.
My lord.
Hmm?
My lord. The judgment of Dhananjay Churna De, my lord.
Now, how you are covered?
My lord.
How you are covered under this case?
My lord,
Apart facts are coiled, madam, exam examine
this honorable court directed opposite party number 1 to consider my representation.
Representation consider কথা ছাড়ান্ত মতে মতে ইস্যু কোন কোন এই representation word শুনিলে মতে কেমন লাগে
The issue is that
I have big allergy for this আপন representation ছাড়ি কি আলাদা কিছু word করুন
my lord, this is the case.
Yeah. আপন কেসটা আপন এতে কভার হচ্ছে বলি কেমতি আপন কইবে
My lord, petitioner seeking the benefit like Sikha Sahayako considering their joinings.
আপন জয়েন কেবে
2008.
জয়েন কেবে কলে
Join Kali, my lord.
2008
No, my lord.
8 Madam, do one thing. I am fixing it for Monday. আপন থেকে তৈরি করে না ঠিক আছে ভালো পড়ে গেছে Monday এই অর্ডার গুলো দেখুন তো এক্সামিন করନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ actually covered হଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ note ଟେ ଗୋଟେ note ଟେ ଦେବେ ମତେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି କେବେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ କୋଉ ହିସାବରେ ଏଥିରେ କଭର ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ note ଟେ ବନେଇଲେ ହେଲା Monday ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆଉ Monday ଲଗେଇ next
22/4 my lord. Joining my lord 22/4 my lord.
ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ Monday ଶୁଣିବେ
Sorry my lord, sorry.
କରିବେ ଏବେ କରିବେ ମୋର ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି ଆଉ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଗିଭିଂ ୟୁ ସ୍କୋପ କମ୍ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ଆଟ୍ ଦି ପ୍ରବ୍ଲେମ Monday କରି ଆପଣ ଭଲ କରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ଦେବେ ନୋଟ୍ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ନୋଟ୍ ଟେ ଦେବେ ଛୋଟ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ନୋଟ୍ 1 page 2 page next
Item number 9.
Item number 9, my lords, there are two cases. The proper party to be made in this case is Department of Health and Family Welfare as well as CDMO Jagatsinghpur and National Health Mission. This तीनटा को party
कौन issue कौन है
से आशा
related to appointment of ASA.
कर्मी
Last occasion, my learned friend Mr. Moon was there. He take time for taking instructions.
proper party
The Department of Health and Family Welfare,
नहीं party नहीं
CDMO Jagatsinghpur, से कौन करछन्ती कि से जो हमरो अंगनवाड़ी केस रे जो मन होबा कत से मन पार्टी कर
कॉपी पेस्ट है जी कॉपी पेस्ट
तीन जन को पार्टी
आशा कर्मीटा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट सर वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड के करियो
एटा कॉस्ट टाइटल को अमेंड कर दियंतु
That I will. Yes, I will do that. But in the
both matters there are two sub
change the
items
cost title
dita
dita karo na agarta to move chikre niklo
file within 2 days
जी है भी
within 2 working days from today
the same order my lord will also be applicable to the second writ petition second dita writ petition achi there are two sub items in that case one is of 2023 the second is of 2018
list the matter on 25th ras
Lordship, in the meantime, last occasion I have submitted before Lordship. Now in the meantime, they have finalize the list and they will give appointment to any other persons. Your lordship, on last occasion,
How
lordship
can I
may
stop it,
remember.
Sir, how can I stop it? They can let them.
No, my lord,
Is it not, is it the case that you have a very vested interest, you have to get that post? That is not the case.
Lordship,
So-
for a moment, your lordship, lordship, in second writ application, which is pending before this Hon'Ble Court,
Hmm.
stay is there. But violating that stay order, they have issued the third notice. That is my only contention before your lordship.
The stay,
Yes, your lordship.
there is stay.
Yes.
Show me that order.
Also, your lordship, I have
What is the stay?
in second writ applications.
2018 ମେଡାଲ ଷ୍ଟେ କରିକି ଚାଲି ମାନେ ସବୁ କେତେ ସେମାନେ ଅଟକିବେ ଷ୍ଟେ କୁ?
No,
2018 ଚାଲିଛି କିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କିଏ କରୁଛି ଆପଣ?
ନା କେହି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି continue.
ଷ୍ଟେ କଣ କୋଉ ଜିନିଷର ଷ୍ଟେ?
stay ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ notice ଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ implement ନ କରିକି I have participated in the first advertisement. Without cancelling that first advertisement, they have issued the second advertisement for which the second
You
advertisement has
take instruction. Learn यार कोड ये माने
CDMO Jagatsinghpur,
Hmm.
Department of Health and Family Welfare and National Health Mission, NHM.
लगा CDMO Jagatsinghpur to be present before this court. CDMO Jagatsinghpur to be present before this court on Monday. Monday na 9 8 rasu 8
Monday.
କାହିଁକି ତ କହିବି ପାରି ନେବ ମଣ୍ଡେ କଣଟା ପାଇଁ ଏତେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଟାଇମ ଦରକାର? He will be personally present through VC on 8th at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Oh, there is a stay order. How can you just violate the stay order like this?
till then your lordship there
Till then କଣ?
Monday ଆସିଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ମୋ ପାଖରେ information ଅଛି ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଜଣକୁ finalize କରିଛନ୍ତି with regard to the third notice which is
ଆଜ୍ଞା
challenge
ଆସୁନ
before
ମୁଁ
the
ତା ସହ
lordship,
ପଚାରିବି
oblige your lordship, oblige lordship.
Before my lord directs for personal appearance, me clarify the for the stay.
ଏବେ ତାକୁ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆଜି ଆଜି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଫୋନ କର ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଜଏନ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ VC ଜଏନ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ VC ଆନ୍ସର ଆଜି କର last
8%.
next
Oblige your lordship.
Item number 10.
10
Item 10, my lord, my senior,
pick up your letter. You just call him over phone, tell him that he has to join through VC on Monday at 2 p.m.
Monday is 11.
Yes.
item 10, my lord, my senior is met with an accident. Let it come next week, my lord.
କଣ matter ଟା?
Matter, my lord,
ମୁଁ ଦେବି provided you say that what is the matter.
my lord, LIC policy claim.
LIC policy କଣ?
My lord, petitioner number 1 is the wife and petitioner number 2, 3 are children. Of the deceased named Krishna Chandra Naik. The opposite party number 5 and 6 are nominated as nominee. The opposite number 5, 6 are mother and
brothers of the deceased. So your issue is that the nominee are not paying you money.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
ସେଥିପାଇଁ senior କଣ ଦରକାର? You argue. ହଁ ତାପରେ so that's why you want notice issue ହେଇଛି?
No, copy the nothing. Is not
Give a
given
copy. Senior time ମାଗୁଛୁ ଏମିତିଆ କେସ time ମାଗିଲେ senior argue ପଳା. Senior ଘରେ ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ. The petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party number 1 to 4 in releasing the maturity value of life insurance policies in favor of the petitioners on the ground that the deceased husband of the petitioner number 1 nominated his mother and brother as nominee. The petitioners who are the legal heirs of the deceased Krishna Chandra Naik pray 6 a direction from this court to get the death claim maturity value arising out of the life insurance policies along with the accrued bonus within the stipulated period. Issue notice to OP number.
All the opposition, LIC parties for the.
Give a copy to Mr.
My lord.
My lord, your lordship knows, and the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order just before on Thursday or Friday. I'm sure all nominations will fall to pieces because that will be governed by the law intestate succession. The Pirates order upon देखी थी. हाँ, say that will favor him. Say despite 39 or in bank matter. Not the prior copy खाली दे देवे notice सर जाओ.
Okay.
My lord.
Issue notice to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Give me copy.
My lord.
And 5. Let's see.
Here you go, nomin.
LIC, sorry, OP number 5 and 6 be served through registered post. Registered post, hello?
My lord.
So dita read chala paunde
Companion matter, I appear on behalf of LIC.
अरे सरू तो गोटे भाई कंपेनियन
बहुत
पसे जीवा आगो सिंगल सरू अरे कंपेनियन को हला नेक्स्ट through registered post. Just the matter on 3rd October. हला
My lord.
yeah. तो ना करो
Saras Kumar Bhaiya.
Saroj Kumar भी on behalf of
On behalf Kirat Kumar Rao.
Saroj Kumar
The secretary, your secretary of association, he made a serious accident yesterday at 9 AM. The entire Honda city has been.
ठीक है this is smaller matters I understand जब complication था ना वो तो छोटा बड़ा कहीं unnecessary
Obligement.
next
My lord, the previous item 9, where my lord directed for personal appearance, I don't pay for a copy of the order.
हाँ
No.
नहीं हो detail है नहीं
Again, the copy of the order.
हाँ
Item 11.
11
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, last order, Your Lordship may kindly peruse. My lord had directed the learned district judge to submit a report.
ये जो इटा
Section 35 of POCSO Act.
this is submit report for what the
Why the trial has not been completed within 1 year and why the victim has.
He is a HIV patient since last 17 years, madam. Though Lordship directed me to take instruction, but is the present status of the patient, madam.
17 years से किसी ही नहीं ना ता किसी हो नहीं
He is complete regularly taking
अरे
medicine.
पूरा perfect है
Second additional session just खोदा
second instance of this code
3.5 वर्ष लाने कर
ठीक है देखो कौन है जी को जाए जी देखना ओडिशा लोग ने गोटे मिनट छाड़ी आ इतने दर देखी भी ना था आंध्र प्रदेश नॉयल
3.5 वर्ष रहिला
3.5 वर्ष ला कोन दया करछि ना कोन काई क्राइम करथला कि क्राइम करे रहबो 3.5 वर्ष कला हो क्राइम कला तो रहबो ना आ फिर 3.5 वर्ष जाय 8 वर्ष भी रहबो 10 वर्ष भी रहबो आ से कथा कहबे पुलिस मैटर 3rd October गांधी जयंती परंपरा है ना छाड़ देबे provided take sufficient instruction about solid security personal security local सब ready करे थी mentally by will है ना of course I'll see that status
Item 13.
5 lakh ready करे थे 5 lakh
driver
impose a condition of 5 lakh truck driver माइल का दो next
Item 13, my lords, is a 2014 matter. I was supposed to file a counter. The PWC both been for a list. The PWC is already on file. But after verification, there is some shortcoming. So I have told them to collect all records and come within 2 weeks. But 2 weeks time, I'll file a counter.
Court.
Okay.
Next.
Item 15.
15.
14 my lords.
14 urgent he.
My lord, time and again, my lord, still is taking time.
Only for
My lord, that is that matter, your lordship.
Year for
Time no chuni inform bhi karna thi, my lord, your lordship that day.
state mate कहले खाली state of Odisha बोले कहले this is not we गोटे काम करो मंडे लगा आ तो केते रिसीव मंडे लगा
Lordship may not no further answer, but because my lord,
this was
that
only
is that
Monday
Anganwadi
for final
matter.
hearing
He is the resident, your lordship was directed me to only file a written note of submission. That I have already filed also.
कारण एठी किसी लोग खाली एडजस्टमेंट पैसा दे आर वेरी
Day one filing ना हम सफर करते हैं इनकी time नोशन सब बड़ा.
नौ जने के लोग मंडे फाइल मंडे लिस्ट for final hearing.
Sir.
Release the matter for a complete, pleading complete, no?
My lords, every fresh admission heading as to my lord, my only prayer is. Has to sorry, just time never empty
No,
got
there
it.
is there किसी time never मुझे जानली ऐसा देवी नहीं है मुझे जानना था ना
आर्थर भी सेया करते हैं।
opposite party की वजह से मुझे स्टेट वाला स्टेट ठीक है
ମୁଁ ଆର୍ଥର ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୁରା ହୋଲ ଡେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବଇଛି ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ये आर्थर भी नहीं ଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ये कौन है नेवर कल्चर एवरी डे कौन उन्हें नहीं पढ़ोगे
he knows the merit of his case, my lord's mind on that day. Thereafter, my lord playing with the court.
नहीं मंडे करो मंडे ना चले एक्सपर्ट स्टडी ऑर्डर पास करेंगे नेक्स्ट
Item 15.
स्टेट रेडी ना स्टेट वी हैव फाइल एवरीथिंग
Okay.
दैट केस ओके ना चले भी सेना करना
No, this is only for notes today. Only written note of petitioner opposite part number 4.
ओके ना कौन है ओके
Your Honor, I am appearing for item number 15. The matter was heard last by Your Honor on 20th of April.
ये कौन
Your,
मैटर
Your Honor, it was requiring the CCTV footages of Saidnagar Police Station, Office of ACP
ये ना
Bhubaneswar
वो
and
पकड़
DCP
ऐसे
Bhubaneswar.
करते हैं मैं ऐसे पकड़ ना this is not for me
Your Honor, it is listed in your honorable court.
what
and
modification
Your Honor, kindly hear me for 2 minutes. The orders
what
were passed
modification
on.
you want madam what modification
Yeah, Your Honor. Your Honor, the orders were passed on
you are
4th
not
of April.
visible
And
you are not visible
sir, I am visible in my video. Can you hear me, Your Honor? Am I audible, Your Honor?
ऑन अच्छी आपन का वीडियो ऑन अच्छी
Yeah, again. Am I audible, Your Honor?
ऑडिबल आपन का वॉइस माने इको होची
Is it okay now, Your Honor?
tell me what
Can I start?
what modification you want
Your Honor, there are 2 modifications required in order number passed on 4th April 2023 and one was passed on 5th April 2023. In the 4th April, Your Honor, para number 6, the date of preservation has to be changed from 23 to 22. Para
Date of?
number 6. The date of preservation that was 014-2022 to 06-4-2022.
madam I have said that the police has their protocol they follow the protocol within that period they keep it otherwise they will just
No, Your Honor, that is not that simple, Your Honor. It needs a detailed
is that
inquiry by the
simple it
court.
is simple
No,
it is simple
the date of, Your Honor, I am not saying that.
if
I'm
they
just saying
have a
the-
protocol I have on your request I have called the
Yes.
technical person to this the
No,
company
Your Honor,
person.
not my request. My
just
strong
please
objection was
please
there.
just
I had
can
strongly
you,
objected,
will
Your
you
Honor.
stop when I'm speaking just please listen to me whatever I'm saying
Very well, Your Honor.
this is not done this is not the way you have to argue you come to the court and I will argument I'm not hearing like this
Your Honor, kindly modify the
no
order.
I'm not hearing
The
I'm not
orders,
hearing
audio,
you
orders
come to
which
the
you
court
have
I
passed. Your Honor, I have a VC facility. I can appear through this and
the
take
VC
care of my
facility then why
property.
are you not allowing me to speak what I want to
Please,
speak
please, Your Honor, I'm just submitting my modification, Your
first
Honor. That's all.
you
Okay.
next
Item 16.
Yes, may I please your lordship? This is the matter relating to RACP and extension of grade pay. The principal already laid down in BRL case and government also accepted the same below. I am a retired person, so in the light of that decision, kindly with any observation, let the matter be disposed of. And this is the order also. Grade pay only. And finance department accepted to all state government employee and principles have been decided by court.
give me a copy
Yes, I will give.
give me a copy let me examine
My lord. I will
One
give
crore
copy.
copy.
my lord.
I'll examine. Well, I filed a counter saying that he has already received all benefits.
No, no.
Dekhi, I'll examine. I'll examine.
If I'm entitled, let this,
you give me a copy let him
I'll examine.
my lord, I will give in course of day.
next
Item-
this matter on 27 also
My-
you examine
my lord.
17.
17, again, my lord, same situation because 2015 matter, he was to
My-
receive some grant. I was to file a counter, I have everything.
My
Well, affidavit ଟା କରିଲି, file କରିବି. When it
till date I have not received the counter
ନା
lordship.
ନା ହେଇନି ପା ମୁଁ କରିନି କହୁଛି ସେ that's what I'm
file the counter
Again,
sir
10 days.
2015
ନା
matter
ନା ଅଛି already ଅଛି
I'll
I'll just
straight to
file
file
an
the counter
affidavit.
within a week list the matter on 20 9th.
Okay, my lord.
Item 18.
18.
May I please, sir?
The same doctor case.
Yes, my lord.
क्या हुआ?
My lord, they had received the instruction and they had given that they will be releasing 1,62,926 within a week. And
Then be happy with that.
then the rest of the amount
Yes,
they will
ସେମାନେ
be.
mention ବି କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଯୋଉ ସେଟା ସେଟା ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ଇଟ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ରିଲିଜ ପାରା 6-7 ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
बैलेंस ଟା ସେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଦେବ ୟାଙ୍କ ଏମିତି କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ
ହଁ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ୱେଟ୍ ଫର दैट
Madam.
ଏ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରି ଦେ ତାହେଲେ ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ଦିସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ନାଇଁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିଦେଲେ ସେ
ସେମାନେ
ପୁଣି ଯଦି
dis-
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ନ କରିବ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ
My lord.
ଆମ ପାର୍ଟ ଆମେ କରିଦବୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ
Okay, anyway.
ଯାହାର ବି ବର୍ଡନ ଲାଇଜ ୱିଥ ଅସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍
let's wait I'm fixing it in October
Yes, my lord.
19th October कर दूँ
My lord.
है ना
Yes.
ये आगे मिली से भला कथा ना मिलना we'll see on that.
Deeply obliged.
And you the government of India को अपन लिख
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖ ସେ ଲେଟର ନମ୍ବରଟା ପୁରା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ
दीजिए
My
କି
lord,
ନ୍ୟାଟରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Third.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ
wait
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ
for some
Yes, ma'am. Obliged.
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର
so
October 19th.
finally your struggle ends.
Yes.
Okay, next
Obliged, ma'am.
Item 19.
19
My lord, last occasion was directed to produce the original advertisement.
yeah original you got it nine
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ କହିଥିଲା କରିଜେଣ୍ଡମଟା ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
अच्छी
Can we take the other date has suffering from throat infection? Let him
ଗୋଟେ ସାଧାବାଡା କାଇଁ ଆଉ
I'm going to prepare. They don't copy to me.
अच्छी give me copy if you have give me
ଆମେ
Yeah.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ ଆସ ନେକ୍ସଟ
give me yes sir
ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ
okay, let him go through list the matter 4th October next
Item 20.
20
May please members. This matter, my lord, regarding engagement of Shiksha Sahayak for the year 2016-17 in the district of Nabarangpur, my lord.
what is the problem sir
Problem, my lord, I applied for very different categories, my lords. I applied for my category is category 2, teacher category arts, social category
high school
No, my lord, it is primary.
primary
Shiksha Sahayak, my lord.
तापर टीचर आर्ट्स कहउछन्ती शिक्षा सहित हिंदी किछ न था
That is there. That is there, my lord.
शिक्षा सहित में कैटेगरी तो न था
My lord, their document shows that.
ओके आई एम
Well, my lord, what happened? Yes, SCBC category, my lord, there is some violation of the reservation rules. This is
you
only
are
case,
SCBC
my lord.
you belong to SCBC category
I belong to SCBC category. My application is also against SCBC category.
कते परसेंट अपन रिजर्वेशन अछि SCBC
27%, my lord. The statute says.
टोटल परसेंटेज तमर कते अछि सब मिसी के परसेंटेज
My lord, annexed year 6, my lord, may kindly see.
ସେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି 189%,
That is the
189.54
mark.
percentage of marks.
That is the mark.
नहीं सेटा तो ठीक अछि ई तमर रिजर्वेशन कते परसेंट टोटल दिया अछि
27%, my lord.
अरे सर रुगंतु ना टिके मु सेटा पचारने टोटल पचती महात्मा केते परसेंट SC ST SC ST and SCBC केते समिसी केते परसेंट
मतलब
सर टिके और कने पेशेंस के रखंतु SCBC 27%. बाकी मैंने कोई कहते हैं. I am asking the reason for asking. In many cases, Odisha government is violating the Indira Sahani. They are going up to 62, 63 Manisha course. Many cases they are doing. In this case, what have you done? 27%. Kete? No idea. Anyway, so your grievance is that your percentage, I mean, your grievance kona?
My grievance is I should have been selected against a
sir, I should have been koidala habani. Kemti, why I should have been?
Therefore, I am.
That is what the
My lords
question.
may kindly see, kindly.
आपका mark कितने थिला? Simple.
My mark was 189
total.
In total.
Grand total कितने? Grand total कितने?
My lord, the total, my lord.
आपको नाम अच्छी थे?
Yes, my lord.
40.
I'm taking lordship to that document, my lord.
Page कितने को बोलना थी? 32.
District. My lords may kindly to come. 42. Page 42. Serial number 52. Deepak Kumar Naik.
Serial number
SCBC mark 189.4254. 189.4254.
42 साल में रहते हैं लोग मात्र. अच्छा सुनो तो. Who is the last person to get? I mean,
what they have done, my lords?
ठीक है सुनो. आपना selection है लेनी. आपना who is the last percentage mark कहते हैं last selection? कहते हैं पहले अपन कौन सा
173 point something got. But let me to place me the entire case, my lord.
No,
How
आप
violated I am so, my lord.
के सरियल आपण एई जो अंटायर चक्कर है ना घंटा लागुता है मु सीधा 2 मिनिट रे सरियो केस
आज्ञा
छी ना आपण खाली मते
let
कहि
us say
ना लेट दे आपण कोंतु आपण पाइले 189
my lord,
राइट लास्ट सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट केते पैसिला
last selected candidate तो बहुत कम नंबर नहीं पाइछंती.
आपण को कैटेगरी लास्ट सर
मो कैटेगरी की आनिलनी से माने क्या मो प्रेफरेंस होची फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस देयर इज प्रेफरेंस with regard to the district. My first preference is Navarampur. What they have done,
Navarampur kete gala last mark.
What they have done,
Navarampur re apan category last mark kete thila.
Thing is not like that. What they have
Thing
done,
is what?
my lord, may permitted to place. Some candidates whose preference district was second preference and third preference Navarampur, they have been brought forward to the first preference Navarampur and given the appointment. This is my case. It cannot be. I was ignored.
सेति पई आपनकर मार्क केते थिला नवरंगपुर रो लास्ट मार्क केते थिला हेटा पचारुची एटा कोंतु
No mark तो 89.4.
आपन मार्क तो जानिली लास्ट
सेवन फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड एक्सेट्रा कैटेगरी जानी कि हम कैटेगरी रे भर्ती करी हम काटी देला. My lords में काइंडली कम टू
आपनकर
पेज 50
लास्ट मार्क केते थिला
पेज 56 my lord में काइंडली कम टू
एससी विषय लास्ट मार्क केते कोंतु केते जायतिला.
Therefore, I am taking your lordship.
Sir, empty holy specific kotha
164.87.
164.87. There is a mark in Navarampur. Last mark, bottom mark, Mr. Mark.
Yes, my lord. Page
सर
56
पेज
is
भी
there.
मार्किंग करना थी मुझे जानी
Page 56 is there, my lord. Yes, the my brief.
हाँ आपन को
Page
ब्रीफ
56.
देखिले पेज भी मार्किंग करके देना है आपन को ब्रीफ
In page ना?
मु आपको कोट बेसी खुजी आपन को ब्रीफ
अच्छा अच्छा.
आपण कॉपी देलाले सर के मार्किंग करके देबे आपण को पाखे कॉपी थिबो मो पाखे अलग नंबर थिबो तांग पाखे अलग केति
एटा को टिके अर्जन करनु मु एटा को मु निजे ओटा मार्किंग कर दूची पेज मार्किंग करके मु एटा कर दे
ए स्पेसिफिक ता ग्रीवेंस बुझिलो त
अच्छा
सेइंग though there are candidates who were opting for second, third preference, they have been taken over to the first preference category, and by that process he is eliminated.
My lord, this is my case.
সেই তো কথা আজ্ঞা ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣ ଏତେ କଥା କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଦୁଇ ଲାଇନ୍ ରେ କହିବି
Problem.
ଏଥିପାଇଁ କହେ ଟୁ ଦି ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଟାକ୍ 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 ଖତମ ହେଇଯିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଗଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା କଣ ଥାଏ କି ଦୁଇ ପଦରେ ଖତମ ଏଗୁଡା ବଡ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଥାନ୍ତା ଆଜ୍ଞା
In the counter, they have taken a different plea.
देखते हैं काउंटर क्या है we just ask this take the specific instruction on this understood you note down it how the state government allowed the second third preference candidates to the first preference candidate
First people district.
ये विषय बुझुଛନ୍ତି आते दिन लंबा कहूनी शॉर्टकट कहूनी and in that process the petitioner has been eliminated है ना ये बुझिए मुझे बोलिए next this is the matter on 27 next
Item 21.
Similar. Second time notice also issued to the OSEPA. Last occasion the OSEPA.
ଏବେ OSEPA ପରେ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ
ହଁ ଆମେ
ଏ OSEPA ଯେ ଏବେ OSEPA ସେମାନେ
PWC ଟା ରିସିଭ୍ କରିଛି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେବି
ହଁ
ଏଥିରେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେବି PWC ରିସିଭ୍ କରିଛି 10 days ଟାଇମ୍ ବି given
କେବେକାର matter
18 ର ଏଥିରେ ସେ ନୋଟିସ ଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ ଓପେପା OSEPA ହେଇକି ରହିଥିଲା ତ ସେଟା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ହେଇପାରି ନଥିଲା
2018 matter କଣ କମ ପାଇଁ okay Lord Council the state 6 1 week time to file the counter this is the matter on 26
Copy by the
give a copy to
ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରି ମୁଁ PWC ଟା ରିସିଭ୍
He is
କରିଛି
now with this raw form final product ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ
yes
next
date mill
26 ତାରିଖ
26 short date okay next
22.
May I please, Your Lordship?
22
I'm appealing on behalf of my learned senior, Mr. A.R. Das, sir. In the previous occasion, Your Lordship had directed my learned senior to serve counter of this case. What happened in this case, my lord, is that
you are for the petitioner
present petitioner, my lordship.
what is the issue
In the earlier writ petition, my lord, it was filed for the quashing of disengagement of
I am not this earlier third दियो ए यार कौन है यार कौन
in the present contempt application, my lord.
Contempt?
Yes, my lord.
what is the order
Order passed by this honorable court dated 15/7/2019 in IN number 9565 of 2019 that the interim selection to the post of Anganwadi helper under Annex 10 shall be continue, but no final result shall be published with the leave of the court. However, Your Lordship, in the present case, OP number 1 and 2 have on the order dated in the annexure 4, Your Lordship, may kindly have a glance. Have the consent
first show me where is the contempt or the order
annexure 1,
order?
Your Lordship.
Huh?
Annexure 1, page number 7.
What is the order what does it say
IA number
Contempt,
956.
no final result so they have published the result
Yes, ma'am.
they have published the result
They have published the result and also they are given the remuneration also, the new
so without
without-
applying this they violated this order
yes, my lord.
who is the
OP number 1 and
take instruction take instruction Lord Council for the state to take instruction as to how the order passed by this court on 15/7/2019 has been violated by the content now. Take instruction. This is the matter. 5th October.
Obliged, Lordship.
23.
May I please, Your Lordship? Seek Your Lordship's pardon to be on receive, Your Lordship. My lord, in this case, Your Lordship had directed the government side to obtain instruction why this ORV Act was violated, Your Lordship. The case is that due to wrong calculation of the ORV Act, the petitioners have been eliminated, Your Lordship.
Sir,
Simply
there are some problems. See, sometimes what happens, there are some backlog that is carried forward to the next year. In that process, some more are also adjusted. So that
No,
is
this is, that is not the case.
in practically it is not the violation of ORV Act.
My lord, but in this case.
There have been
that-
many cases I have dealt with.
My lord, your lordship has.
Initially, you might be thinking where the number,
My lord,
from the sheer number, you cannot actually find out whether it is violated or not.
my lord, that's what your lordship had asked the government side to obtain instruction that what was the case. Your lordship, I have clearly demonstrated.
ORV
in
Act is
the report,
violated.
my lord, 40 they have.
2003. No,
My
the
lord.
date is not there, my lord. What my
They
lord
came in,
mentioned.
huh?
This is a 2003 matter. So
2003.
again,
My lord.
originally the matter was from 2003 because I had a detailed discussion with the DPC there who is responsible. Said despite their searching, the exact numbers in 2003 are no longer available.
My lord, I have given it in
But
the.
2003 টা এবে কেন আপনারা নিতে পারিলা?
My lord, no, your lordship, I had discussed all these things.
আপনার
last
ফাইল
time.
করেছেন 2022 20 রে।
This particular issue was raised only in this writ petition 2020.
ଆପଣ ଏବେ କାଇଁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ଶୋଇଥିଲେ ଏବେ ହଠାତ୍ ଯାଇ?
My lord, I was before your lordship and I had explained this in detail. That
Sir, I'm
because
not on that. I'm not on that. I'm saying since the matter pertaining to year 2003, what prevented you not to come to this court in 2004, 5, 6, 7? I suddenly woke up from Kumbhakarna sleep and came here. And
I
in
had
2020.
Given a chance, I will explain it. I am still continuing your lordship.
So you may be continuing, sir, but issue whatever you are raising, that is pertaining to the year 2003.
My lord, kindly allow me to submit in one minute.
Just answer this question. What prevented you not to come in 2003, 4, 5, and you have come in 2020?
This violation.
On this point only, I will reject.
My lord, this violation has been committed, was not known to anybody. Your lordship.
Suddenly, आपने 22 से जानले, जब जागा तब जागा ऐसा नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
That is what I am explaining, your lordship. Your lordship, come to page number 21. That everything will be clear, your lordship. Your lordship, I am continuing. The issue is on regularization. Your lordship, may kindly refer to your lordship's last order. Everything will be clear. Your lordship, I was continuing when it came to regularization. They miscalculated the ORV Act and they put me into that Rishikesh Bindani case and tried to terminate me. So the case was fought on that line, your lordship. Now it is revealed that I have been deprived on this point, your lordship. Had this mistake not been committed, I wouldn't have been embroiled in other cases.
He has all this court on
conjectural things, sir. Again. This is a conjectural submission.
Not
ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता. ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता.
Not at all conjectural.
I don't know. Yes, conjectural.
Conjectural.
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପାଇ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଋଷିକେଶ ବିନ୍ଦାଣୀ ସେ କେସ୍ ପଡି ନଥାନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ବି
that is the mistake. My lord, that is the mistake they have committed, your lordship. That's why I am
No, I am not considering any case of 2003.
My lord, it's not.
Sorry, any advertisement 2003, even the documents will not be available with them. How can I adjudicate the issue?
My lord, I have produced the documents. All the documents are there.
I don't know. Many people are producing documents, fake documents. Yesterday I got one.
Lordship,
he says government has shortlisted me. He has one. Government has one. He was not there in shortlisted list.
I have produced all the documents.
Our RTA କଥା ତ ଦେଖେଇବିନି RTA ର evidence is very zero. I said zero. RTA ମାନିବିନି RTA. ଆଜିକାଲି RTA ବି fake ବନେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି. Letter ବନେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି answer RTA reply କହିଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
Your lordship may kindly come to page number 39. 39 it will be clear.
RTA ଦେଖେଇବେ ତ ମୁଁ RTA ବିଲକୁଲ ମିଳିବି. RTA ର ଟିକେ evidence study କରି ଆସିବି.
It's not on RTA. Your lordship may kindly come to page number 39. Your lordship, the people who are appointed.
ନା ମୁଁ 2003 ରେ ମୁଁ enter କରିବି. Sorry.
My lord, it's not on 2000. Kindly.
Sir, 2003 advertisement is not available. Government ପାଇବେନି ଯେବେ. ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ କଲେନି? Suddenly ଆପଣ ଯାଇଗଲେ.
No. It's not that, my lord. Your lordship may kindly. Your lordship may kindly.
এই যে percentage ଆପଣ ପାଇଲେ କୋଉଠି? এই percentage କଣ ଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ suggestion କରିଦେଲେ how will the government explain?
2021 your lordship. Page number 21 they so given.
I can't explain.
It is given on page number 21 your lordship. Kindly have a glance. Your lordship's last order will clear everything. Your
last order notice is gala facts lekhi diji tar last order thodi se.
But kindly have a glance at 21. Kindly have a glance.
Easy hai bole mu lekhi diye.
My lord, kindly have a glance at page number 21. Everything will be clear. My lord, My lord, the accurate.
Record नथले कोड आनिबे
My lord,
record नथले कोड आनिबे सेमाने
my lord, this there in, I have given the record, your lordship, 21
तार
there one
आपण
record.
record को मानिबे केमती मु आपण
My lord,
केमती
there
record
one
how do I
record.
know
My lord, there
where
one
from you got
record.
the record
My lord, there one record, your lordship.
where
21,
from you have got the record tell me
There one record they have given supply.
ए own
There one
record record नाइ कहउछन्ती own record कोड
My lord, 2021 is their record, your lordship.
you do one
My
thing
lord,
Mr. Misra do one thing
My-
you come to this court and show me the record ए box भीतर कहला होबनी एपटे
My
बाहर
lord, my lord, Tuesday, your lordship, because I am in
come
Keonjhar.
out from your box come here
Yes.
with
My
another
lord,
box
I'm at Keonjhar. I'm at Keonjhar. On Tuesday, maybe I may
I
kindly.
come on Tuesday କିଛି ତ ମିଳୁନି ତୁଇ କଣ
My lord, all the, it is there, your lordship. At page number
you come with the
22.
document I'll show
It is there at page
you
number
show
20.
me I'll see the document
My lord, on Tuesday.
matter ये नहला तार हठात
No, my lord, my lord, my lord, last time. That is on regular
ଆପଣ
basis.
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ଶୋଇ ପଡିଲେ 18 19 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ହଠାତ ଜାଗିଲେ
I can believe your lordship. They have, it is on regularization. When it came to
no
regularization,
regulation
they,
ହଉ ଯାଉ ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ
they,
issue raise କରାଯାଇ
they only
there
calculated.
is a concept called limitation also how
No,
can I forget
I completely agree, your lordship.
okay you come on that day you argue next
Right.
24.
24 Interglobe Aviation Limited. What is this? Interglobe is Indigo. What is the issue?
My lord, in fact,
You are
I
for the petitioner.
petitioner. I myself petitioner.
Interglobe Aviation is yours.
No,
Who are you?
not up here.
Who are you, sir? Are you
I'm
for
the
the
petitioner.
respondent or petitioner?
I'm petitioner.
It is your company.
No, I'm petitioner.
Petitioner. It is a
I'm
petitioner for Interglobe.
sorry. I'm not the petitioner.
You are the
I'm
respondent.
Respondent number 1. Yes.
What happened? What happened? What is your issue? Case one.
Yes, I had been in Mumbai on dated 13/11/2018 for my professional work and returning back from the Mumbai on 15/11/2018. And when I was returning back from Mumbai, they have issued the ticket via Chennai, which has been left on the gate number 4. But yes, gate number 4 at Chennai. But the flight left from the, instead of gate number 4, the flight left from the gate number.
They have not intimated you.
No.
When there is change
That-
of date, they always intimate you.
That is
If-
why.
if-
That is why I.
Situation might be that also. They might have intimated. You may not have.
No. No.
Announce karanti.
That yeah, airport is the silence zone. That is why they have not.
Sir, silent.
Neither
silent zone रे भी ये जो karanti Delhi airport भी silent zone. But they announce karanti.
That is true. That is why I myself contacted the person concerned. They have intimated to my given the message to my telephone, mobile telephone, or reflected the information to the in the board, reflected in the airport. And I myself compelled to purchase the ticket and left the airport next day morning
So what is
at
your
prayer for compensation
Compensation.
awarded by the local adalat and execution case
Lok Adalat कितने देशी compensation?
3 lakhs.
Was there any negotiation between the
No, not yet.
बिना negotiation
Not
के
yet,
लोग
not
अदालत
yet
पास
done.
कर देला से order टा
No.
लोग अदालत पास करे
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
ଦୁଇ
ଛଅଟା
party को
date.
ବସେଇକି ଆଗ ତାଙ୍କର negotiation କରନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଟା କରା ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
आज्ञा 6टा डेट हले आसिले नहीं तापरे एग्जीक्यूशन केस रे गलु एग्जीक्यूशन केस रे तापरे टू से माने एठी आसी स्टेट नै गेले एग्जीक्यूशन केस चलथिबा अवस्था रे स्टे नै गेले
Stay nation. Who is appearing for that company? Who is appearing for that company? Interglobe Aviation Limited.
दिल्ली दिल्ली रा को ग्रुप आछुछंती से माने लॉ फार्म से माने आसुनांती ए भड़ा सेठी सेमते आसले नै तापरे एठी गोटे कर देई बसी गेले
Non appears for the petitioner. अगर भी संदी there must be some Bhubaneswar गिरता थिबो ना
भुवनेश्वर
भुवनेश्वर तांकर कोन ऑफिस में तो थिबो ना इंडिगो वाला
भुवनेश्वर तो पक्ष करछि वर्तमान आज भी डेट रे मध्ये तेने बंद वकालतरा भी फाइल करना पार्ट
they have not yet filed a no
OP number 3 which has already been mentioned in the cause in our cause list.
Okay, let's issue fresh notice. Fresh notice is issued to the opposite party 1, 2, 3 by registered post. It is made clear that if the petitioner is if the respondent no, it is the petitioner, no, sorry. If the petitioner doesn't appear before this court on the next date of listing, this court shall proceed to pass ex parte order without any further adjournment. List the matter on 10th October. आपण आउट स्टेप नियंतो आउथरे
है बर्तमान एयरपोर्ट रे जो अवस्था माने आपण बस सोई परिबेनी आपण कांस्टेंट आपण सकाळ संध्या 5टा रु बसिलो हमें मु सेही कथा को आई कैन कांस्टेंट बसी रहबे तांको भूलटा पई से माने दे आर नॉट
item 25
if the petitioner does seek the file करी there's a court हो जाओ registry to send अपन किछ करे registry to send next
may I please lodge
that matter
yes this is relating to the branch executive committee divisional executive committee election of the divisional executive committee. Here my challenge before your lordship in this case that the election was held and the circulation was made by the railway authority without going through the result of the election, that the election was not conducted as per the bylaw. My lord, my first submission before lordship is that
notice has been given to other parties.
Yes.
Who are appearing for the other parties?
They
in this case, my lord,
they have differently filed their counter. Both are copy paste.
You are for the president central executive committee.
Elected, my lord.
No.
Elected committee.
Elected.
And
Central executive committee nobody appeared.
You think the elected body, sir?
Huh.
Though we are elected body, we have not made party by our election is under challenge, my lord. And already
their election is under challenge
for last 1.5 years, my lord.
This is the tenure for how many years?
3 years.
3 years.
3 years. 1.5 years already gone.
In the month of April, this one court granted interim order.
Who are they appearing? Who are other respondent?
Other respondent, the government for government.
What is 7 and 8? We are appearing. He is appearing for one.
For the government, railway.
Railway has absolutely no control over.
I know.
Yes.
They have I'm asking who are the parties present.
No, it has no control. Showing that
obviously this railway doesn't have any control. This is elected body, why should railway have anything? to do?
And
Just-
showing that it is due to public duty, etc., they have maintained a writ
So, yes,
petition. That
what is your case?
My lord, here, my lord, your lordship will kindly
Which bylaws is not followed?
bylaw of the All India, I have given that annexure 2,
Except two.
page 24.
What is the, which,
Your lordship may come to
which part of this?
come to page 30.
Page 30.
Page 30, clause 8, Roman 8, Divisional Executive Committee.
এটা কোন আছে?
Now your lordship may
Now what is the violation?
violation is page 31. সেই page 30 ରୁ clause 8 টা continue করছে কিন্তু violation part টা page 31.
31.
The voters, I am reading from the top. The voters to elect the divisional body shall be termed as a delegates. The delegate means the office bearers of branch duly elected and circulated by the railway administration and sent by it for the purpose. The tenure of DEC such and such, that is 3 years. The my submission that when there was no the election in respect of other branch executive committee, which includes my committee as well as petition number 2 committee, both committee that election was not been conducted. They never issued any notification for conducting our election unless the election of the branch executive is
So
come.
those people again,
They will have to elect the. So we have been deprived to participate in the election. That which cannot be done. And another gross irregularity, annexion notification of the election
who is
itself.
the election officer?
No election officer. Page 49.
ନିଜେ ନିଜେ?
ସେଇ ତ ହଉଛି କଥା, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଲି ଆପଣ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ଷ୍ଟେ ନେଇଛି, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ନହେଲେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ମ୍ୟାଟର କୋଉଠି କୋର୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି? ପେଜ 49 ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ।
So ତାହେଲେ କଣ କରିବା?
ପେଜ 49 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆଜ ପର ବାଇଲ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆମର କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ।
Yes, what is say? Allegation is very serious allegation, sir.
May I pray, my lord?
Yes.
The petitioners before my lord, they are strangers, my lord. They have
Strangers.
led our association and joining trade unions, my lord, and holding their post, my lord, and challenging our election by filing this petition. That is my specific plea.
So,
at para
so they are not, they are not the,
no, my lord, they are not members at all.
employees.
They are employees, but they have led our association and joined in trade unions, my lord, recognized trade unions of railway, my lord.
ये ट्रेड यूनियन जॉइन करेंगे तो जॉइन करेंगे?
नहीं sir.
नहीं?
Because
मना?
Because this is our association, my lord, not affiliated to railway.
I may be joining some trade union. I may also part of the railway union. What is the problem?
Because the trade union is the affiliated unions of railway, my lord. Association is not affiliated to railway, my lord.
This is your internal.
General, my lord. It means for a particular category.
So what is your answer to this question?
My lord, let them substantiate that I am not the secretary of executive branch executive committee All India Scheduled Tribe Association. I am not the secretary. What is the material?
My lord, your lordship may allow me. Since 22nd July 2022, my learned friend is taking time to file counter to reply.
Mu petitioner mu counter file karibu.
And after one years, before other 2 benches, my lord will take time, and before my lord.
अरे छाड़न तो पास को जानतो ना, एबे प्रेजेंट रहतो, प्रेजेंट बेंच रे टाइम देबी नी।
My lord.
पास को कौन करे ना छाड़न तो, मोर आंसर जानतो।
मो टाइम नेबी नहीं बोले तो हेल्थ कंडीशन ना आछे एमिति मते ज्वर 104 ज्वर रे मु टैबलेट खाइ गेछि।
17 of my count, page 6. That is my specific stand in this repeat.
ओपन नंबर आपण कहते 7
and 8.
एका दीटा काउंटर पडले एका काना दीटा काउंटर कॉपी पेस्ट यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया रो जो काउंटर यांकर सेही काउंटर
दे देथिबे।
हां से यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया यांको इंटरनल अफेयर विषय भी काउंटर दे दीजंती केमी जानले के जान
पट्टे के रखा पड़ेगा ना, ना तांग चलियो के ऑफिसर ना। Should know this.
Para 17 of my counter model, page 6.
It is pertinent to mention there that the petitioner number 1 to being outgoing secretaries of their respective branches have not discharged.
It is also noticed that they are not having the membership of this association for the year 2022 and they both joined.
आपका membership नहीं क्षेत्र है
मैला
जे membership अच्छी नहीं किए जाने register को आगे जो पड़ियो
We
ना
have raised that point by
नहीं कि कहाँ पकड़े से list है membership की अच्छी न था
तांको branch
central executive committee
हाँ
central executive committee
division of
central executive of the chief prime
can answer the same.
तो संगर के ना
And the divisional executive committee has filed this counter mail. We are the president and the secretary of
no that
committee. We have filed this.
Sir, I am asking a simple question.
My lord.
Where is the names of these people who are the member? There must be some register, na? Somewhere it must be maintained. Who are the members?
Sir, branch or branch re?
Branch or branch?
Branch re. Branch
तार custodian की
branch secretary my
branch secretary
has not made party in this case.
A case की
In this case, Kotak and Khurda branch they are saying the file the writ petition filer. They have not the branch secretary as party in this case, my lord.
You make branch secretary.
My lord, even
branch secretary by निजे
even के branch secretary
हम पर outgoing branch
they
secretary
themselves are outgoing. President and secretary.
भाई आपण की उठा
सी सर नोटिस पाइला पर तांग ब्रांच इलेक्शन करनाती सेमाने पळेचन ट्रेड यूनियन को सेठी राजनीति को
माला पेज 49 टे देखुना पेज 49 टे देखुन तो एटा कोन इलेक्शन नोटिस पेज 49 टे देखुन
मैं प्रे माला वन थिंग the lordship kindly give a glance
page 49 and as required I have mentioned my writ petition page 12 that is available at paragraph 2 of the
49
page 49 my writ petition annex 3
election notice.
Yes.
All India SC/ST Railway Employees Association as per bylaws and so election division will be held so आपनकर ब्रांच मेंबरशिप अछि ना नहीं
हां
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन
ब्रांच मेंबरशिप अछि
अछि
हां
ओके सर कोन तार प्रूफ अछि
मु देखे देबे आटिका विथ एफिडेविट
आपण देखा तो ब्रांच
हां विथ एफिडेविट
आपण केते जण मेंबर अछि आपण ग्रुप रे
हमर ब्रांच प्रेसिडेंट ब्रांच सेक्रेटरी ट्रेजरर जो जति की अब इलेक्टेड मेंबर सब हमें अछु
एट प्रेजेंट आपण मेंबर अछि
एबे आउटगोइंग अछु से माने एडॉक भी दोना इलेक्शन भी करना न करके सेपटरे जो
इलेक्शन पर 3 वर्ष पे 1.5 वर्ष सनी
नै नै हम डिविजनल इलेक्शन करछंती डिविजनल जो इलेक्शन करछंती हमकु डेलीगेट्स हिसाब रे भी नै नाती
the confusing when statement below.
That's why I myself
yes, I understand
by
that is why I
conducting
was
the election for divisional executive committee it is the duty to take publish the voter list of the divisional executive committee and voter list means that the voter means they are delegates. The delegates, who are the delegates? The delegates are the elected president and secretary of the branch executive committee under that division. So we are the branch executive committee of Kotak and Khurda coming under the divisional executive committee of Khurda divisional executive committee. So now they have conducted the election of Khurda divisional executive committee excluding Khurda branch and Kotak branch.
इलेक्शन कंडक्ट कर भी के न था न्यूट्रल बॉडी रे के न था देखी
से जा
आपण आपण निजे करा करी हंती आ झगड़ा लगी रेडी
ना ना आडहक कमिटी आसी करिवे ना
या सब फबड़ दे किछि करबिनी अननेसेसरी त आपण किछि आंसर ठीक जवाब दउ ना ये आपण इलेक्शन तक न्यूट्रल बॉडी रे कंडक्ट करतो ना somebody must be conducting the election
for conducting for conducting the election chief personnel officer of the railway department of railway department they used to circulate an ad hoc committee to conduct the election and after election is over
membership ta ka pakare rahe
membership amaro raibo central executive committee pakare
central executive committee
na
आपण
ना सेंट्रल एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी दिल्ली रे हां
मेंबरशिप आनो मैं मेंबरशिप देखिबी आपण अच्छा दिन
yes I will produce it
you will produce it
yes I will produce the I will make a request letter they will issue
petitioner to produce the membership register
ना register मु देई परिबे ना एंटर register देई परिबे I can bring an authorization or letter or whatever may be that I am the member of that All India Railway Employees Association from the president or secretary of the Central Executive Committee. Because the entire All India list is one Central Executive Committee. Se hochi kotha.
You have to get some document, na?
Yes.
Without that, how can I believe you?
Yes. Along with the affidavit. Your lordship said that.
Along with the regarding the membership. To allay the doubts raised by the opposite party number 7. To allay the doubts raised by the opposite party number 7 regarding the membership of the petitioner. आगे एटा क्लियर करो माइंड रे फास्ट जे आपण सତରେ अछंती ना देखि लास्ट आपण अछंती ना मेंबर देखे पड़ियो लेट्स सी देन ओनली आई कैन डिसाइड अदरवाइज अननेसेसरी बोल वाला बनो तो लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन केबे आनबे केबे के दिन ना
3 सप्ताह टाइम लग 3 weeks
ओके देन अक्टूबर 30th रे दे दूची हला
May payment or tenure is going to over.
हां बढ़िया
No, that will be extended in the event.
Because this restriction is not maintained.
No, once the election will be held on illegal.
I'll see, sir. Jar tenure hoji jao
Your lordship only give a class page 45 of the restriction.
Echi na de minimum. We say let him first find it.
Then your lordship on this matter.
नहीं सेमाने जदी रीट पिटिशन जदी आमे हारुचु जो डेट रो आमे हारिबु सेई डेट रो तांको 3 वर्ष दे देबे योर लॉर्डशिप में क्लैरिफाई दैट पोजीशन
Who will extend that tenure?
More election that tenure mo bade di yeah.
No, because of this pendency of the litigation the continued. But I am sure that we because of
I will not give it 3 weeks rather 2 weeks I will give. 2 weeks देउची October
September
September के दिन अछि मो
September today is 5th of September.
आपण काय ते तरवर होचन बसन
Today is 5th of September.
11th नंबर पकड़ टाइम नहीं in the time wasting case. डिटेल आनो ना
16 रे आनो
12 रे आछि हला
16 रे आनो
आउ 16 फर 12 सेप्टेम्बर
अक्टोबर तो अक्टोबर 16 में सोमवार हबो पड़ी जो
काई सोमवार बोले कोन माने
सोमवार फास्ट लिस्ट गोटी लिस्ट पड़ी जो
12 कोन भलो डेट न है ना 12
for 2 weeks milord after 2 weeks any date
Thursday
no I am not asking 2 weeks
Thursday atu hela no further argument next
interim order में got
no interim order has never been continued he has to file an application for that
interim order आपन छला की
yes
कोड छला
yes
order देखले
the interim order was there it was not continued thereafter since it took long time and again
interim order for what
the notification election has been stayed will final notification
ना हमर election
result
by
काई कोड
by virtue mileage interim the association is not functioning. The members are facing difficulty.
What is that?
Last occasion also your lordship did not.
No, then that's one. 3rd October. 12 ne. 3rd October.
Oblige.
October 1 रू 8 1 रू 8 भीतर रखो जदी रखियो से
3rd October 1 रू 8 भी 3rd पडुछि ना
my lord
3rd 1 रू 8 भीतर पडुछि
1 रू 8 रखो
कोड अछि interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date
तापरे कंटिन्यू
नेक्स्ट डेट रे
last order was passed by your lordship there also it was never continued he took time your lordship said that 1000 rupees cost has been given
say chalu gadi
cost you
may my lord hoidon my lord payment complaint minus order last token your lordship directed my lord to default 1000 before the bar association minus no money has not paid he has not paid
मु नथिली रा
रेवेन्यू मामला रे
नथिली
ये थाउ
मो एसोसिएट कहला जे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस बहुत रागिली तो आपण जिवे मु आज जर रे 5 जो खाई आसी
number 2 number 2
item number 2 last occasion your lordship directed 3 police personnel to remain present they have come I represent them I am filing a vnama all of them have come
what is this I don't remember
this the issue involved in the it is regarding compensation
अच्छा
These people who have come before your lordship today, they are not parties there. But your lordship, I don't know for what reason your lordship directed, but.
No, I wanted to get the, not for anything, just for some clarification.
Lordship prerogative, my lord.
No, just for some clarification. Your name.
Bajanti Manti.
Bajanti?
Bajanti Manti. Obliges.
Item 27.
My lord's lot.
Item 27.
Yes.
9th October.
Again.
Next.
Item 27, lot. I am for the opposite partner 1.
27 is what?
My lords,
27 conflict.
I am the opposite partner 1.
But who is the petition?
Yes, is that my lord? My client freezed the accounts up to 9 lakhs.
So your bank has frozen it.
Yes, my lord.
So?
Because my lord, the petitioner, husband has been sanctioned 2 loans. One loans 5 lakhs, another loan 2 lakhs. So far as the 5 lakhs is concerned,
Petitioner council comes.
so the pinthral asunandi. So last 3 times of this absent asunandi.
Ashini?
Nahi.
Garci?
We found the counter of Kuzi Pound.
Let him come. Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Our date 18th October.
Minus.
Item 28.
28.
I'm for the
Jewelry.
petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Bank.
Who is for the bank? अपना तो सीधा आरबीआई को पार्टी बनाती है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया महाराष्ट्र ये भी बढ़िया कहती है एड्रेस भी देखिए रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया महाराष्ट्र हो जाए महाराष्ट्र सारा रिजर्व बैंक से ले गया
My lord, exactly, my lord has pointed out on the last occasion. My lord.
RBI Maharashtra.
And in fact, that short address, perhaps by the registry, detailed address in my petition I had given.
Not on that. Even why should you make the RBI as a party?
Yes, my lord. My lord
has no rule at all
yes,
against the bank.
Yes, my lord. I have no idea.
So nobody is there from bank. Right. Adjourn it. Oh. 5th October. 5th, 11th October. Urgency nine.
Okay.
You don't have any urgency.
No, my lord. Since is there, since there is time constraint today also, my lord.
For 5th. Next.
Oblige.
Item 29.
29.
29, your lordship, I'm appearing for the opposite party bank.
Bank.
Yes, sir.
Who is for the petitioner? No? What is the case? You have any idea?
Your lordship, the petitioner have moved against the rejection of representation for OTS scheme, your lordship. Your lordship, the
OTS.
petitioners are ineligible because he's an ex-serviceman of the bank.
So just because ex-serviceman,
According to the circular of the bank, your lordship, if they have availed jewel loan or if they're ex-servicemen, they are ineligible. So the petitioners are.
ex-serviceman ineligible. Why? Ex-serviceman, I have a full.
Your lordship, that is the circular of the bank.
Is there anything linked to the OTS ex-serviceman? Link?
Your lordship, but that
have
is
you ever tried to research on that?
No, your lordship.
Why ex-serviceman should be not be eligible?
Actually, your lordship, they get leverage of the interest when they are servicemen of the bank and when they avail that bank loan.
Oh, ex-serviceman of the bank.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought ex-serviceman and this
No.
service. So let's see nowadays they are again. Let's fix it on 5th October. On that day, I'll discuss.
Grateful.
Next.
Item 30.
Item 30. Yes. May I please the laws?
And for the petitioner.
Yeah.
As far as the case is concerned, the
opposite number 3 and 4 wanted to sold their property.
You are for
And
bank.
for the petition.
Of
And for the petition.
petition. So, you are for the bank.
I am for the bank, my lord.
I am the owner. 3 and 4.
So you had a tripartite agreement between 3, 4 and first.
Yes, the bank.
What is the problem? What is the problem?
I have already deposited 11,87,000. In the bank account also I have deposited in that. In spite of that, I am running after the bank for years together.
No, I didn't get. What you deposited for what purpose?
Yes, ma'am. So initially, the opposite point of 3 and 4 are not able to repay the loan amount for which their accounts became NPA. Thereafter,
What are the loan for?
loan for house building loan. ma'am.
House building.
House building.
Fine.
loan.
They become NPA? When was it? When did it become NPA?
31/10/19.
31?
10/19.
19. Then what?
Thereafter, they negotiated with me, after 3 and 4, negotiated with me to
Who?
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
3 and
Along with
4.
the bank. Along with the bank. Tripartite
Yes.
agreement is made.
Tripartite
The
agreement.
bank intended to pay the amount and you will pay me, then bank loan will be that adjusted and the rest amount I will get.
Yes.
But the bank that the CDA now is saying that this
Who is for CDA?
My lord, I am on behalf of Mr. Dhananjay Mahapatra appearing for
Last,
CD.
last.
Yes, it was hard. Earlier it was hard.
the CDA is insisting the bank you go for auction of that land. But we are the 3 and 4 the petition is saying that if he is interested to pay the money, but they are saying that the land cannot be transferred. That is why you go for auction. So
Obviously, the land can't be transferred.
it
It
is
is not
now, it has already declared freehold.
Dollar.
Freehold once
Why?
it has been
Notification.
freehold sir ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ
Why is that
Sir, that
notification?
notification of 8,000 that is not
Why is that
finalized.
notification, sir?
sir,
There's a freehold card like I.
No notification. No notification has yet been.
that is on process.
But it was decided in the cabinet.
Freehold code notification ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଦେବାନି ବି cancel bank କରିପାରିବେନି.
That is on the process.
And then
Then but what is that bank they are insisting the bank you go for auction. That is my private land. You will auction of but
so
he
it
is
is your
interested-
private land. It is your private land.
Yes, my plan. I
So
got
you have
from-
given to the builder.
Yes. So you will
Builder
get your
is
money.
constructing land.
You will get your money.
Is
So why-
on that land.
Yes, why are you insisting for auction? City says auction it out. Auction kar diyo.
Why
But the-
bank will bank independent entity? Why should bank
Yeah,
bother
yes.
about the CDS?
Yes, that is why. Why are you insisting the bank?
Bank, what is a bank?
On behalf of Mr. BB Swains.
Aye, yaar,
Engage
on behalf
another,
of problem is on behalf
another
of
court.
ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ଆଉ କିଛି କହିପାରିବେନି on behalf ହେଲେ କଣ ଫାଇଦା ମତେ?
Mr. Swai engage the another court.
So another court I can't say. Release the matter on 8th November. Yeah. 8th November.
My lord, a copy of rejoinder may be served to us.
जा सब का वो नहीं जानते तो वो मैटर टा खत्म करिएगा ना आपण सीए मिस्टर साई मिस्टर अमको मिस्टर पटनायक
Last time I
you
just
just
given
give
my-
अलगा कोड
तब city तब you wait the government is declaring the issue of freehold.
अरे सर फ्रील है ही नहीं डिक्लेयरिंग रे
हाँ,
कैसे
है नहीं।
चलेगा
But
अरे फ्री है ही नहीं है आपण फ्रील तो कर देते
say insist bank कर
अरे
दो
सब-
auction कर दियो।
एटा डिफरेंट करता आपण फ्रीहोल्ड फ्रीहोल्ड काय कोई
नहीं, नहीं,
डिक्लेयर है ही नहीं है जाए
है नहीं किंतु
the bank is saying bank I mean ask the bank they are the first people they know
नहीं हाँ ये माने he is interested bank is
है ही
interested
नहीं फ्रीहोल्ड
नहीं
फ्रीहोल्ड है नहीं
नहीं final आसी नहीं
Okay,
but
let's
bank is
see.
interested to give money.
let's see. Next.
Item 31.
I am filing my written notes for going to allow the debt charts.
Please. कौन argument करते सर जानता है
So-
It's a very small
Small matter.
small
very
but
small matter let us give a
already se भी already टंका दे
nine
टंका 10 लाख already
Any short debt, short.
nine very small matter
yes very small
Sir, notification টা আছে
এই যে গেজেট
ହଁ gazette notification সেটা ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସୋମବାର ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବି ଏଟା ଦେଇଦେବି ଜ୍ୟୋତି
9 ରେ कर दो you are for city
no no
for government
state government
Government.
our
State-
sisters
state
yeah
government.
thank you
ओ आसु केबे तकला
9th of
9th ras okay next
Okay.
31st.
31.
My lord, I am for the petition on behalf of HP Ponda. My lord, kindly 2 days time may be given to file a rejoinder.
My lords, on the last occasion,
My lord, last time.
She has been.
already, no, a
Your
cost has been
lordship
on the-
imposed cost 1,000 rupees. I have paid.
You're not
la-
going to-
Again, you're asking for time.
Yes, my lords.
इतना बेशरम हुआ आप सही माने.
No, my lords.
Another
My lord,
5,000
today,
rupees.
no, my lord.
I will
My-
grant adjournment
My lord,
definitely.
today I
but
received the brief. My
5,000
lord,
will pay to the bank.
my lord, young
If I
council
can
have.
make my submission, my lords. They have come up with this petition against the auction sale of a vehicle. Absolutely on false grounds and no notice has been given to them. Bank has, all these steps that have been taken under the law have been taken, they have been adequately served. My lords, 1 year old, the vehicular price is going down and my lords, the petition.
So once you come out of the showroom, the price starts diminishing.
Absolutely, my lords. And we have almost 8 lakhs of rupees pending on this account. There's another vehicular loan by the same petition, the vehicle.
Is there any
not
stay?
taken.
Is there any stay operating?
My lords, that is, I am. For some reason, the.
Let's see. Is there any stay? Yeah, stay
Yes,
there.
there is a stay.
That's why taking advantage.
That's
No
my
stay. The bank is free to. Non-appeals for the petitioner. The bank is free to take.
I am for the petition.
To proceed with the auction.
Yes, my lords.
Auction of the said vehicle.
My lord, I am for the petition.
अरे रोहन तुम petitioner कौन ला?
No one appearance.
Non appears. Appears कर दो जी. हम कर दो जी. है ना? Appears करो. For appears. Non appears छाड़ दे. Oh. The bank is free to proceed with the auction. Auction का बंद करियो. Unnecessary. तमें दो
My lord, the vehicle for private vehicle for
Ah.
usage, they're using it as a taxi.
We have auction. The vehicle. As per law.
Oh, black.
What a display.
As urgent certified.
32.
The matter relating to Jogana Soyago, last occasion Lordship requested to file an affidavit in another case. Annexer 5 is the termination letter which was made by the Sarpanch.
Termination.
Termination.
What is the allegation against you?
Allegation against me is that I am not working properly. Prior to that, a criminal case was initiated against me by one of the Samiti member of the locality. When I was arrested, on the same day I was released bail by the landed court.
Arrested? What is the allegation against you?
Allegation ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଶ୍ରାବ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ଜାତିକୁ ନେଇ ଗାଳି ଦେଲି. One of the Samiti member.
ଜାତି ଗାଳି ଦେବା ଏଟା common. ଆଜିକାଲି allegation କିଛି ନ କଲେ ଏଟା ବଢିଆ allegation.
Last decade of years I have served for the, there is no black mark.
We have spent work for 1 decade.
1 decade, more than 10 years.
Because of that only, because of that.
Yes.
No.
What is
Misappropriation of PDS commodity matter.
In a counter, kindly have a term that is counter.
ଚାଉଳ ଡାଲି ବିକା ଏଟା କଣ କରିବ?
ଚାଉଳ ଡାଲି के बिके allegation.
Allegation
ମାନେ?
But in their counter, the villagers.
କେମିତି ମାନେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଚାଉଳ ଡାଲି ବିକୁଛୁ ବୋଲି?
ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ମୋର ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ଆଲିଗେସନ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ଆଲିଗେସନ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ହାଉ
Allegation ଆଇଲା ଯେ ସେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ allegation କେମିତି ଇଏ କଲେ?
କରୁଛି
କେମିତି ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ କରି କରିଦେଲେ ନା allegation ଆଇଲା ବୋଲି କରିଦେଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ହେଇଛି ପ୍ରପର
କୋଉଠି ହେଇଛି
ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ
investigation?
ଏମଆଇ ଯୋଉ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର କରିଛି ତାକୁ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର
କିଏ? ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର?
ହଁ ସେ ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ ଦି ଆପଏଣ୍ଟିଂ ଅଥରିଟି ନା 3 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଗାଣ ସହାୟଙ୍କର ଆପଏଣ୍ଟିଂ ଅଥରିଟି ହେଲା ସରପଞ୍ଚ ବିଡିଓ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ତାକୁ
ଭିଡିଓ କାଇଁ କଲାନି?
ନାଇଁ ବିଡିଓ ଟର୍ମିନେସନ ବିଡିଓ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
ଇନକ୍ୱାରିଟା ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ଦେଇଛି ଯେହେତୁ ସିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ ଦି କମିଟି ମେମ୍ବର ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସିଏ ବି
କଣ
କରିଛନ୍ତି
ପାଇଲା?
ସେ ଇଏ ଆଡମିଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଅଫିସର ଟା କିଏ ସେମାନେ କୋଉ ମାନେ ହୁଅନ୍ତି?
ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର
ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର କିଏ ସେ ମାନେ ଏମତି ମାନେ ଦେର ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଜବ?
ହଁ ୟେସ୍
ତ ସେ କଣ ହେଲା ସେଟେ? ମାର୍କେଟିଂ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି ଏଠି? ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ ପିଡିଏସ ରେ ଆଣିଲା ବିକିବେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ କଣ? You have to make the people know that they have to get this PDS. Marketing କୋଉଟା ଯୋଉଠି ମାନେ ବିକିବାର ଅଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇବାର ଅଛି ଯେ ଏଟା ମିଳୁଛି ଏଟା ଏଇ କାମ ତ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ଲୋକ ତ ସେ ଜାଗା ଦୌଡ଼ିକିରି ଆଖି ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲେ କିଛି ପଳେଇଯିବେ କୋଉଠି ଚାଉଳ ଡାଲି ମିଳୁଛି। ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ରୋଲ କଣ? କଣ ଲେଖିଲା?
श्रीयुक्त मंडल उन्नयन अधिकारी चिलिका ब्लॉक खोर्धा विषय
अच्छा ओके
खोर्धा
चलो चलो
जोगाण सहायक को पीडीएस कार्यालय रखिबा निमंते महाशय नहीं सॉरी एटा होची यार येटा स्टेटमेंट
निता रिपोर्ट टा देखा
हां मुंडा
ये जो क्रिमिनल केस टा इम्पोर्टेंट
नहीं क्रिमिनल केस में भी
तार
तो
किसी
किसी
है ही नहीं भी यही नहीं नंबर 1 नंबर 2 ये तो आजिकली कागो फसर थे वाला मते जाति रे गाड़ी देला वाले कह देबो
एटा किसी
तार से बिचार केस टा लागी थी केस पड़ी थी
से रिपोर्ट टा annex नहीं but I have taken that stand your lordship if your lordship will permit me I will call for that report man
you have the report
No, I have.
you don't have to. You give him a copy also you have not given him a copy
counter
report रा copy आपने देना थी आज से report जो कला है यहाँ करो इनको इंटरव्यू कर
हां याको ये भी स्टेटमेंट देछन जोटा कि काउंटर रे लिखा है ये स्टेटमेंट देछन से आप एडमिट करिछन भी
रिपोर्ट टा देखें
Page 17 for a moment, your lordship kindly see.
ता रिपोर्ट हम देखला जानबी तापरे प्रेजेंट 17 रिपोर्ट होले कोन
No, say
Report ता नहीं
what villagers have stated to the opposite part number 4 video. आम पंचायत जोगाण सहायक संजय कुमार जेना आम मान को ठीक समय सुचारू रूपे पीडीएस सामग्री पूर्वगत 2013 मसीहा दे आसुअछि किंतु गत पंचायत निर्वाचन ठारू नवनिर्वाचित सरपंच पंचायत किछि फल प्रकृत राजनैतिक व्यक्ति जोगाण सहायक मासिक 30 रु 40 टंका मागिथिले जोगाण सहायक न देथारु राजनैतिक उद्देश्य के तांका नाम रे
ये लेटर जो
in their letter
ये लेटर जो आनिले आपण
आया
आपण कहि पारन सत्य भी देबे
आया
ये लेटर कोन अछि ये लेटर किसी ऑथेंटिसिटी अछि
because state has filed the counter and annexed this document.
State
That is page 17 annexer E/4. State has given the same.
and if the letter is bani gata so that means this person is a good person
They are each person.
in the absence of a good report against him
kindly have a glance to para 6 my of my counter man
अरे 6 रे मते रिपोर्ट दरकार गला
हम रिपोर्ट टा दे देबी आपण रख
कथा देले रिपोर्ट काहे देले असल कथा देबे यू गॉट द रिपोर्ट अदर जाका ए बेकार कहीं पत्ता पत्र पड़ी 10 वर्ष काम करलानी भीतर छोट छोट लोक सारा पड़ी तमर बड़ बड़ बाबू मान बुलुसंती छोट जोगान सहायक ए एमएनआरजी ए मांको पछरे गुडेगो जीआरएस बड़ माछ सब कोड़े कोड़े गली गलेनी आ सब छोट माछ धर पछरे धर कौन गुट्टे गुट्टे छोटे छोटे जिनसे पाई आपन केस गुडा रिपोर्ट है तो संगे संगे डिस्पोज करथां बट यू आर नॉट गिविंग द रिपोर्ट तेणु डिले हमारा बहुत बड़ा कारण होची गवर्नमेंट because government is the biggest litigant in every sphere every state both center and state and most
This is a case where lordship had filed a writ petition challenging the decision of the opposite party bank, initiating willfully default.
Yeah, for the bank.
No,
you both are in the same, selling in the same boat. Okay. पीछे boat के पीछे रह जाओ. Okay, you are for the bank.
Bank.
So,
I am for the bank. Is the borrower. Section 14 moratorium has happened, my lords, and the lordship has been pleased to pass in orders, my lord. And my learned senior friend has already filed a counter. The NCLT proceedings has already set aside the NCLT orders. NCLAT has already set aside the NCLT orders holding liquidation. Therefore, my section 14 proceedings continue. RP is still in position. I am for the RP. May I only pray, my lordship, would call this matter after the NCLT. After that,
no, my lord, the issue is not that.
That is the main issue.
No, that is not the issue. The issue is whether section 14 will be applicable to the willful defaulter. If yes, then the NCLAT and all will arise. My contention.
That they will decide. Why should I?
No, not that. They will not decide. They will not decide. They will decide on the resolution, the application or the IRP or the CRP proceedings. No, but that is my submission is that is not the issue at all. The issue is if I can prove the section 14 moratorium does not apply to willful defaulters, then whatever the NCLT or NCLAT does it does not affect to the matter. So the issue here is my entire counter is that the willful defaulter proceeding is not a recovery proceeding.
No, of course,
If not recovery
it's a branding. That's
No,
a branding.
Yeah, exactly. If it is not a recovery proceeding as per section 14 of the IBC,
Achhi, IBC hai kya? Nahin. So, can you read it? Just read it.
we have another.
IBC amar bhai kendi nahi?
This moratorium.
Insolvency.
I'm sorry, insolvency bankruptcy code. Sorry.
Okay. It is our fault.
14 is moratorium.
My apologies for that. My IBC.
The 16, kaise karna?
14, section 14, moratorium.
Moratorium.
Once the CIRP proceedings begins, the moratorium starts. Subject to provisions of subsection 2, 3 on the insolvency commencement date, the adjudicating authority shall by order declare moratorium on prohibiting of all following, namely, the institution of suits or continuation of pending suits or proceeding against the corporate debtor, including execution of any judgment, decree, or order in any court of law, tribunal, arbitration panel, or other authority. Transferring, encumbering, alienating, or disposing of by the corporate debtor any of its assets or any legal right or beneficial interest therein. C. Any action to foreclose, recover, or enforce any security interest created by the corporate debtor. So that is precisely
Any proceedings. The podless head again.
Huh?
Again.
But
Willful
this-
defaulter is a scheme.
No, it's not a proceeding also.
There are judgments.
So I have-
And a very recent judgment of your lordship which I've come across. I'll just go through it. Upon go to pass question.
That was not the issue.
Different.
That was this different issue.
On that, in that judgment, what I have seen, see, whether a person to be actually the willful defaulter or not.
Again.
That was a procedural, some
Yes,
irregularity is
aspects.
there,
Yes.
procedural wrong is there.
Yes, yes.
So I have attacked that, so this should not be, have been allowed.
Yes.
So unless, without following the right procedures, you cannot
I will answer that.
say somebody willful defaulter because you are branding somebody.
Yes, yes,
There is a stigma attached to it.
Yes,
And
yes.
he has also, the credit worthiness also is reflected back.
And in this case, Milord,
Defaulter is all about.
in this case, other banks have already declared willful defaulter to this borrower.
may I
My friend was there in other matters. also.
PNP here, well, I've seen a may or know of that. PNP here is a part of the COC. They have accepted it. They are part of the COC and they are going to get their money in the COC proceedings itself before the NCLAT.
Correct, correct. But
ultimately
that is nothing to do with this.
Defaulter goes over there. Therefore, make a small.
But that will not have an impact.
NCLT will get over merits because they have given a 4 to 6 weeks period. So mostly October 10 sorry, what should we call it?
No, well, that doesn't have an impact on this.
Is that I am to be declared as a willful defaulter or not? On the purpose that I have not paid. That is all, Manoj. Today, the COC, the new resolution applicant has put in a fund of more than 400 crores. The liability is 147 crores. So everyone's going to get paid. It's put in more than 400 crores, which ultimately the NCLAT has set aside the liquidation proceedings. NCLT is in possession of the matter. 31(1) proceedings have to be decided to be approved of that very proceeding. This NCLAT has specifically directed that you decide on this and close it.
But that is nothing to do with this. How that impacts it.
Just one thing. Are you going to lose anything if 1 week, 2, 3 weeks time is granted? The bank is not going to be affected, I think.
No, but there is a status quo order. There's an interim order is
They
there.
are not going to do anything.
No, it is there. No, because we have to disseminate the information. That is what the Honorable Supreme Court said. It's nothing to do with the recovery. But
So you are only be prejudiced to the extent of disseminating the information to the public.
That is what the object. No, it will not go.
Just do one thing.
It will not.
Just what I think. Let's.
I don't know. He can take 4 months time. My submission is I have nothing, no objection to taking him in adjournment on but the NCLT outcome or NCLT's outcome will have an impact on this.
I understand that.
If not,
Only
then
thing that
I have judgments of support.
his apprehension is that because he has that 400 crore or something.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is a, I mean, if
Instead
that
of-
is
yes,
that money,
yes,
that
yes,
money is
that-
paid.
One second,
that
one
money is
second, Alec.
paid, then why
People
that
will not be
stigma
revived,
should be
Manoj.
there?
No, that is
not
not the
affected in any
issue.
manner.
Oh, that is not the issue, my lord. The issue is, I think probably
How are they getting affected is the question now.
no, yes, I'm affected. Whether it is proceeding,
Monetarily, you are not affected. Only you are
monetarily
affected.
affected, circular wise affected,
How
everything is there.
They will get the money.
In the COC proceeding,
My lord,
they hold the percentage in the COC.
My lord,
They
it's a
are
different-
passing, my lords.
Just as a good Samaritan, you just help your clients.
No, no, taking adjournment is not an issue, my lord.
That's still that
The
time
issue is, if the outcome comes also of the NCLT proceeding, how does it affect this proceeding?
At that point,
Let him submit one line, how it affects this proceeding, then it can take an adjournment, there's no problem, my lord.
Once
If
you are
we can,
declared as
we,
a willful defaulter, the person who has come in with the fund will go away. You understand that?
He has
I
already been
don't
declared.
want that loan.
he has
That's what I'm
already been
challenging.
declared as willful
That's what I'm
defaulter.
challenging. That is exactly what I have challenged.
He
You
has
cannot
already, no,
put
not here.
You cannot
Oh,
put once a section 14 proceeding has been
No.
initiated. Innovative judgment is very clear.
My lord,
Not
it
to
is,
see
it is
to know
not.
about it. I'm sorry, I can say it.
My lord, this borrower has already been declared by another secured creditor, who is also part of CRFE,
Who is that single creditor?
Kotak Mahindra Bank.
They're all a part of the COC, my lords.
Yes. So how does it matter?
is he
How it
concerned
going
with
to
Kotak
affect
Bank?
him?
Lords, how is he concerned with Kotak Bank?
How,
He's for PNB.
once
He is
the
part of COC, my
borrower,
lords.
you submit,
Yes,
you submit.
I'm sorry.
Once the borrower is declared as a willful defaulter by one secured creditor, the information is disseminated to all the information companies,
right.
CICs. How does it affect him?
Once it goes,
Or what he's saying also you understood what he's saying. Of the two,
I get,
your Punjab National Bank, you are saying restraining him.
I get.
And your Kotak Mahindra has already declared you willful defaulter.
May I answer that?
So that information has already spread in the market.
Yes.
No.
So whatever the apprehension of yours
Right.
that this stigmatic information will go and that will spoil my
And even
your
before that,
credit worthiness.
before that, another institution, another bank also declared, Bank of India.
Kotak is a part of the COC. PNB is a part of the COC. SBI is a part of the COC. They have also already agreed to this. PNB is pressing his application here. My opposing it. Neither Kotak, no one, because they have agreed to the COC.
I'm granting some time.
In declared they were present.
Let him
They accepted it, my lord. In declared they were parties, my lord.
If they can,
Yes, my lord,
solve,
include
they
it.
can just try to
If the
arrange
company
things
revives,
and
my
give
lord,
it to you.
they
It
will-
is good beneficial to the
One
bank.
more,
Company
one,
revives
one,
for real, everyone get it, my lord.
Ultimate goal is what you have to
Yes.
secure your money. That's all.
no, that is a different one. How money they are giving, how much money they have incurred also, that's a different thing. That we are nothing here to
I'm not on
argue.
that, I'm not on that.
So
Just
one,
my
one other issue is,
why am I proposing? Let the matter, let whatever the.
Enclave the order tax,
Whatever the proceeding, let that. The
Culminated in the
order.
final.
And finally you'll get back your money.
I-
And the what do you call the antithesis to declare him willful defaulter. That's stay for some time.
what the other thing is, they have challenged the identification committee's notice.
Okay.
So identification committee, your lordship is already aware of the process and the J developers judgment, Supreme Court. The identification committee will recommend the name to the review committee.
That
They have not challenged it.
But
Review
in the
committee.
counter, for the first time we came to know that they have already
I'm
filed.
giving it up.
I'm just saying,
Uh-huh.
कि आगे हम 12-5 पूर्व order टा हितला हमें communicate करूँ. आज जान लो कि file an amendment to that and challenge that also. Because we have in the counter they intimidated us.
They challenge that.
We'll challenge that.
Like you can
Again.
take it up both together.
No, then the representation before review committee will not come if they challenge it. My submission is, instead of coming here, if they can file a representation, that review committee's order may go. Your lordship can consider that also. They can appear before the review committee, give their representation, let the review committee pass the final order after considering their representation, so that if they're aggrieved, they can challenge
We'll
it.
come in. Once that happens, we'll also look into that.
Do that.
I will do that also.
And if you agree with that, you can.
Yes,
come
and-
down.
again.
So this can be disposed of. This can be disposed of. This can be disposed of on that.
That we haven't challenged that. We can't.
Hey, wait, କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ just wait, better I'm fixing it to କେବେ କଲେ ହେବ? କେବେ ଲାଗିଛି?
October 12-15 ଯେବେ
October ରେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା October 16 ବି ଆସିଲେ କି 17 ଆସିଲେ ବି ହେଇଯିବ।
16 କରିଦଉଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
October 16.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Have some patience. Smile, Mr. Panigrahi. Sometimes a bank has to slightly you have to accommodate.
I 36.
Interior wants to continue.
You have some full court thing.
Interior wants to continue.
Intimate to continue.
Item 36, 44 minutes. 36 ରେ ମୁଁ petitioner ସେ opposite party.
Item 36, I am appearing for the pollution control board. It is already been complied, my lord. I am giving the order.
Report.
ତ ଆମେ ଏବେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ଅଲଗା ଦିନ ଲଗେଇବା।
Item 40.
Monday
Item 44 ଟା Monday ଅଛି। Item 44 ଟା Monday ଅଛି। Item 44 ଟା Monday.